even those users as well. Let me show you. Let me first log in as root user. Even these users also can't go. Even this A and B, sorry, A and this Hornet users. Hi all of you, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can give special permission to group. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can give a special permission, how you can add a special permission to your group as well. Alright, in the previous video I showed you how you can add to your user part, alright, owner part, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your special permission to your group. So let me first create one file for now. Alright, file 1. I think this much font is good. Alright, so now if I do ls-l, alright, so now you can see that here is your group, here is your owner. So this video is all about this. Alright, so now as you all can see that now I am a root user. Alright, so let me create a directory. Alright, let me create a directory name as a project name as NFS most wanted. Alright, most wanted. Alright, and now I am making this in my top level root directory. Let me check there by running this command ls /. Now as you all can see that this is created here. Alright, not in my root user, it is created here. What I want to show you, let me check first what all users I have. Alright, I have these users. Alright, so let me just switch as a user. Alright, let me switch as a user. Now you can see that I'm logging as a user. Alright, so now let me just go there. Let me go in that directory which I have created when I was root user. Alright, let me just go in that directory. What was the name? NFS. It is NFS most wanted. Alright, now I am in. As you all can see, now I am not a root user. Alright, I am this a user. So let me just create some files. File 1, file, let me create file as file A. Alright, but you can see that touch cannot permission denied. As you all can see, this error is showing, this Linux is showing this error, touch cannot use this command, permission denied. Alright, so first I have to change this its permission, the directory permission. Let me show you the permissions it has. Here you can see that. Let me run this grep command. Alright, NFS most wanted. Alright, this is the name of my directory. So as you all can see, there is no right permission to others because I have created this directory with the root user. So for that user, all the other regular users are a part of others user. Alright, all the user except the root user, they are other users. Alright, so I have to give first here the right permission. Alright, after then only I can create file or I can do anything there in that need for NFS most wanted directory. I can create file, I can delete, I can modify, I can do anything. Alright, so let me just exit from here, because let me just log in as a root user. As you all can see, now I am a root user. Alright, so let me just change mod. Let me give all permission to that directory NFS most wanted. Now as you all can see, before the permission was this, now permission is this. Alright, so now let me just log in as that user. So if I go again there, let me go to that and let me run that command touch touch file A. Now you can see that I have created the files because I have given the permission. Alright. I hope the concept is clear. To you all. Alright. So what I have did, let me write here. So I have created a user. Alright. This is my regular user. Alright. Now there is your directory. So this is your directory. Alright. This is your directory NFS most wanted. Now I have given permission to this because I wanted this user to access this directory, but as you all know that I have given permission to others, so every user, now I have, let's say I have 1000 users. Alright, I have 1000 users. All of these 1000 users can access my this directory, which I don't want. I want only two people, one this. Alright, one this and one this. They both only can access my this file, rest of them can't access my file. Alright, but these both users belongs to this as well. Alright, these both users are part of these 1000. Alright, because these both are regular user and I am a root user. Alright, how can I prevent these all users from reaching out to this directory except these two one. Alright, because I want these people to access that directory only. Alright, so what I can do is, let's say now every user can access this file. Let me show you that. Let me do ls-home. Alright, so now you can see that there is your user one. Alright, there is your user one. Alright, let me just log in as, or let's say this is your Hornet user. I don't want that this user can access that directory. Alright, let me just write name here, Hornet. Alright, now as you all can see that I am now Hornet user. So if I go there, if I run that command cd nfs, now you can see that I am there and I can access all the files. I can read, I can write, and I can execute as well because I have permission. But I don't want that this user can access this directory. So what I can do, so I can just do one thing. Let me show you. I can create a group. Let me show you. Let me create a group first. Group add. Let me create group name as, what should be the good name for a group? Let me write here project 66 is the name of my group. So as you all can see that I am now currently a root user. Alright, so now you can see that my group is created. Let me show you by running tail -1 tail command. What is the path etc groups. Alright, not groups, only group. Alright, let me just clear screen. Let me run that command again. Alright, let me run that command. Alright, let me run again. Now as you all can see that project 66 is created. So what I have done, I have created a group. Alright, let me make a circle for that. This is my group, and now it's time to add these both people to this group. Alright, now it's time to add these both people to this group. Alright, so let me add. What is the command? G password. Alright, let me first do ls/home. Alright, let me see what all users I have. I want a user and I want only Hornet user. I want these two users to be in that group. What is command? G password, as you all know very well. Now it's time to use -m option to add multiple users at the same time. Alright, Hornet. Now it's time to write here a. In which group? My group name is project 66. Alright, project 66. Now the both users are added. Let me show you by running this command. As you all can see, this group has two users. Alright, so now let me let me just show you one thing. If I exit from here, alright, now as you all can see, I am a EC2 user. I also this is also a regular user. You can identify by seeing this. Alright, by seeing this you can identify. So if I run that cd command again, let me write here nfs most wanted. Now you can see that I can access everything because this is also a regular user. So still all the users can access this directory, but which I don't want. Alright, so let me just log in as root user. Alright, as you all can see, now I'm root user. So first what I want to do, I want to change the permissions again. Let me write here -v option. Let me write here the permission 770 for which directory, nfs most wanted. Alright, now you can see that there is no permission now for the others users, for the others. Alright, now you can see that before there was all permission, but now there is no permission. So if I try to get there with this EC2 user, let me run that command cd. Now you can see that permission denied because I have removed the permission. So because I have removed the permission, so now nobody can go here. Already in this directory, even those users as well. Let me show you. Let me first log in as root user. Even these users also can't go. Even this A and B, A and this Hornet users, even A and this Hornet users doesn't have the access for that directory. Alright, so they can't go as well. So now my both users are added in this group. Alright, in this group. So now what I want to do now, so I have to add a special permission. Alright, a special permission to this group. Alright, I want to, now it's time to add a special permission to this group. Alright, so now what is the next step? The next step is to, now you have seen that when we do ls-l, it shows root 2 times. Alright, first one belongs to our owner, this one belongs to our owner, this one belongs to our group. So the part of group, alright, of this directory, nfs most wanted. So now it's time to change its group. So now it's time to change its group. Alright, this directory's group to this. Alright, so let me just do this. Alright, so let me first see what is the group of this most wanted. As you all can see, so this is showing. Alright, this is showing the file. Alright, let me not do like this, let me just do like this. ls, let me run that command again, ls-l grep with the grep command. Alright, so now as you all can see that the owner is root and the group is also root. So now it's time to change this, the group part. Alright, how I can change that? Change group chgrp, this is the command, as you all know, change group. Now you have to write which group you want to change by with. Alright, let me write here the name. My group name is project 66. Alright, of which directory? Of this directory. Alright, of this directory. Now I think my command is good, I think it is correct. Now it's time to run this command. Alright, now as you all can see, no error occurred, it means my command is successfully run. So now it's time to check as well. Now you can see that your project 66 is now here. Alright, so before it was root, but now here you can see this is project 66. So now the people, the users, which are the people, or you can say the users as well, who are added here in the project 66, they can access, but except those user nobody can access. as you all know that the EC2 user, the EC2 user is, let me just do like this. Now it's time to go to that NFS most wanted. Now you can see that permission denied. Now Linux is showing permission denied. EC2 user can't access that directory. Why? Because as you all know that, here let me open this, because the only two users are added here. One is your Hornet user and one is your A user. Alright, they both can access this directory and only they can work. Alright, let me show you. If I log in as A user, now you can see that. So now you can see that this user can get in this directory, and this user can also make files. Let me show you by making, let me make a directory mk. Let me first do ls. Now it's time to mkdir dir a. Alright, if I do ls, now ls-l, so now you can see that the owner is also A, which is true, and group is also A. But now I want that, because this user belongs to project 66 group, so I want that the group should be shown as project 66, because this user is a part of that group. Alright, so now how I can do this task. Alright, so now the next step is to give special permission to this directory. Alright, so now it's time to give this special permission to this directory. Alright, let me show you how you can give. Alright, let me first log in as root user. Let me first exit from here. Alright, now I am root user. Alright, so now what you have to do is, let me first run that command ls grep nfs most. Now you can see that its group is changed, which is correct, but now you have to add here, instead of x I want to add here s. Instead of x I want to add here s. What is command is same, chmod -v for verbose, and now for special permission, because I want to give to group, so for that g plus s, because s is for special permission. Alright, if I run this command, for which file or directory I want to run for this, now it's time to run this command. Now you can see that there is a error occurred. Why? Because I forgot to write this / before this nfs. Let me run that command again. Alright, so let me run. Now you can see that your s is added, as you all can see, but before this was rwx, but now this is rws. Alright, so what is the purpose for adding this special permission? Let me show you. Let me just exit from here. No, let me just log in as Hornet user. Alright, Hornet. Now I am Hornet user. Alright, so now let me just go there in your most wanted directory. Let me do ls-l. As you all can see, there are two. So there are two things, as you all can see. One is directory made by user A, and one is file also made by user A, and this is showing here the group A as well. Alright, but now if I create something with this user, Hornet user, let me create a file Hornet, file h for Hornet. Alright, and a directory name as dir h, which means this is created by Hornet. Alright, so if I do now ls-l, now you can see that this is showing the owner of Hornet, but this is not showing the owner, this is not showing the group Hornet. Why? Because this is the magic of special permission. As you all know, I've already discussed about that. Alright, so let me just log in as A user as well. Let me just exit from this here. su-a. Now I am a user. Alright, so let me just go here, let me just do ls-l. Let me just create a file, another file name as file a1. Alright, so let me just do ls-l again. As you all can see now, this file a1, this one is also created by a, but this is not showing the group A. Now this is showing the project 66. This is the real magic of your special permission. Alright, and whosoever folks are preparing for Red Hat exam, they must know this concept. Also those who are learning only Linux, also those people also should know this concept, because this concept is really you can say advanced concept, and this is used widely in a production level. Alright, so I think the concept is cleared. If not, watch the video again from the starting to the end, and you will be getting the logic that why this concept, why this special permission is used. Alright, so I hope this video finds you beneficial. I think this is the right time to end this video, and now I think it's time to say goodbye.